Okay, here we are. We're actually in Bangkok, Thailand. And this is a 2010 Toyota Vios. And we have purchased a new air cleaner. Now, of course, this is an OEM air cleaner, and it's stating genuine Toyota parts. Now, this air cleaner costs less than $3. Less than $3. Now, we actually bought it online on a little company here in Bangkok, maybe not so little, called Lazada. And here you can buy all different types of things, whether it be anything from concrete tools, auto parts, garden supplies, garden tools, doesn't matter. All different types of online items. And this is what we purchased. Now we're going to go ahead and install this air cleaner in our Toyota Vios. Okay, now the Toyota Vios that we're working on is assembled here in Thailand for the Thai market. And a couple of things you'll notice. One, it does not have a heater core. Now, not to say all vehicles in Thailand don't have a heater core, but obviously if I am marketing the car specifically for Thailand, one of the things you'll notice is I do not have a heater core. Oftentimes you'll see where they could have had the lines for the heater core, but they don't use a heater core. And the reason why, of course, is in Thailand very seldom does the temperature ever fall below 80 degrees. So air conditioning is all important, but a heater core, that's not something that we worry about. All right, let's take a look at our air cleaner. This is a small car. It's compatible, I guess, with the Corolla in the United States. It's very easy to get the air cleaner out. As you can see, this air cleaner has been there for a while. So we'll go ahead and let's inspect the housing. And it looks good. Now, one of the things about Thailand is oftentimes the street floods. So you want an air intake that's good and high. And this is where this one is located. So there, it's behind the front of the vehicle, not right in front of the grill, so it's not directly in the splash of water. And I noticed that I actually have a water drain here in the bottom. So here's the fresh air coming in, and I have a water drain, and that would be important. I sure want water to drain out. And I want to design my air cleaner so it kind of resists the ingestion of water. Now, as we look at this air cleaner, based on the other one, it looks like what they're trying to tell me here is that this is the in and this is the out. And that would correspond with the way it fits in the housing. So we'll go ahead and slip it down into the housing. It fits very nicely. No problem. Let's go ahead and I did not take the actual duct loose. That shouldn't be necessary. Here it goes. I'm going here forward to make sure that I'm sliding in correctly and clamping down. There we go. Oh, there's our nice fresh air cleaner. Here's our airflow meter, and here we see our charcoal canister purge solenoid. Here I see the vacuum brake booster there for my master cylinder, and there's the vacuum brake booster. Now, of course, in Thailand, the steering wheel is over on the right hand side, just like England, just like Japan. So things are arranged just a little differently.